How to check Skrill transaction history. Looking for a quick and easy way to check your Skrill transaction history? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps without any confusion. So let's get started. Open the Skrill app and sign in to your wallet. From the main screen, open the Transactions section. Your activity will appear with the newest payment first. Tap any transaction to view its full details, including the amount, currency, date, current status, transaction ID, fees, and recipient or payment method when available. You can also see your latest activity from the dashboard. For more search tools, log into Skrill through a web browser and open Transactions. There you can filter by account balance, date range, and transaction type, and you can change the number of rows displayed. Remember that Skrill does not let you erase part or all of your transaction history. If a payment is missing, check every currency balance and confirm that your date filter includes the day it was made. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides.